Welcome to our channel. Today, we dive into the amazing world of car inventions that have transformed the driving experience, from revolutionary safety features to high-tech accessories. We'll explore the innovations that make our rides smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. Get ready to discover the ingenious gadgets that turn ordinary cars into extraordinary machines. Whether you're a car enthusiast or a tech lover, this journey is for you. Let's hit the road. BAYU Smart Car Kit. Introducing the BAYU Auto and Outdoor Smart Car Kit, your ultimate all-in-one wireless solution for all car-related needs. This impressive kit is packed with tools to handle a wide range of tasks, ensuring your car is always in top shape. It includes a wireless car vacuum with multiple nozzles for detailed cleaning, a phone charger to keep your devices powered up, an inflator pump to maintain tire pressure, a high-pressure car wash gun for a spotless finish, and portable lighting for any situation. Whether you're cleaning your car's interior, inflating tires, washing the exterior, or just need some extra light, the BAYU Smart Car Kit has you covered. Plus, it's built from high-quality, durable materials, ensuring it stands up to regular use and the elements. This makes the kit not only a versatile and convenient addition to your car maintenance routine, but also a sound investment in your vehicle's future. Keep your car in prime condition effortlessly with the BAYU Auto and Outdoor Smart Car Kit. Yakima RoadShower. The Yakima RoadShower offers the ultimate convenience for outdoor enthusiasts seeking a portable shower solution. Mounted securely on your vehicle, this pressurized water storage unit holds up to 4 gallons of water, perfect for refreshing showers or cleaning gear on the go. Powered by solar energy, it heats the water while you adventure, ensuring you always have warm water available. Its robust design makes refilling simple, and with easy-to-use controls, you can quickly pressurize and enjoy a shower wherever your travels take you. Gear up with the Yakima RoadShower for your next journey and stay refreshed throughout your outdoor escapades. LUMINEQ. Did you know that car windows account for about 1/3 of a vehicle's surface? Finnish company LUMINEQ saw this as a prime opportunity to introduce their smart windows. These innovative windows feature capacitive touch displays embedded within laminated multi-glazed glass. Remarkably, these displays are visible from both the inside and outside of the vehicle, regardless of their size or shape, and can be viewed clearly from any angle. With LUMINEQ smart windows, you can do a variety of things, like checking the weather, adjusting the interior shading, or even setting up a code lock for keyless entry. Plus, LUMINEQ extends this cutting-edge technology beyond the automotive world. They offer the same versatile displays for use in sights, night vision devices, and rangefinders. SmartBar. In Australia, where drivers traverse some of the longest distances globally, vehicle protection is paramount, especially given the expansive and diverse landscapes. SmartBar, a local company, addresses these needs with innovative solutions crafted from a special polymer known for its strength and flexibility. This material can stretch up to 85% of its width, reducing the risk of pedestrian injuries during accidents. SmartBar offers a range of products including lightweight bumpers that weigh 40 kilograms less than traditional metal ones, potentially enhancing fuel efficiency. Their underbody protection, touted as the lightest on the market, features a ribbed structure capable of withstanding rugged terrains, making it easy to install and exceptionally durable. These attributes make SmartBar a trusted choice for Australian drivers seeking robust vehicle protection without compromising performance. Truma Mover XT. Introducing the Truma Mover XT, the ultimate solution for effortless trailer maneuvering. This innovative system allows your camping trailer to climb hills and make precise turns independently. It's not magic mods, it's the Mover XT units in action. Each lightweight unit, weighing just 20 kilograms, can handle single-axle trailers up to 2.3 tons. For additional support, 2 and 4 lock kits are available. The Truma Mover XT moves your trailer at a slow, controlled pace of around 500 meters per hour, ensuring precision accurate to within 1 millimeter. Safety is paramount, with features like an automatic stop function and an audible alarm. Control the Mover XT effortlessly with the included remote. The entire package, including the unit and remote, is priced at $2,752. Experience the ease and precision of trailer maneuvering with the Truma Mover XT. HUDWAY Drive. HUDWAY Drive offers a cutting-edge solution for drivers looking to enhance their road safety and convenience with advanced display technology. This setup connects seamlessly to your smartphone via Bluetooth, integrating with popular navigation apps to provide real-time directions and traffic updates. It also ensures you stay connected with notifications and text displayed on its interface, all while prioritizing your safety by allowing hands-free phone calls. Designed to complement any car interior, HUDWAY Drive can be easily installed within seconds, making it accessible for all drivers. Its versatility extends with optional side view and rear view cameras, boasting ultra-wide angles and rugged weatherproof bodies. Additionally, the night vision camera enhances visibility in low-light conditions, providing clarity akin to daytime driving. HUDWAY Drive not only enhances driving convenience but also elevates safety, making it an essential gadget for modern vehicles seeking advanced navigation and communication capabilities. Trojan Camping V2. Trojan Camping V2 offers a revolutionary camping solution tailored specifically for pickup trucks, aiming to elevate outdoor adventures to new heights. Crafted with precision using argon arc welding and 50H52 marine-grade aluminum, these systems are designed to fit various pickup truck models seamlessly, available in different sizes and layouts, from super short to meter-long configurations. Trojan Camping V2 allows for extensive customization. You can personalize your setup with shelves, benches, and dedicated refrigerator niches, ensuring optimal functionality and comfort during your camping trips. One of the standout features of Trojan Camping V2 is its durability and reliability. Each system is backed by a generous 5-year warranty, providing peace of mind and assurance of long-term performance. Whether you're embarking on a weekend getaway or a longer expedition, Trojan Camping V2 aluminum tray and canopy systems promise rugged durability and versatile customization options for your outdoor experiences. Hyundai eCorner System. Hyundai Mobis, a subsidiary of the South Korean automotive giant Hyundai, has introduced a groundbreaking innovation known as the eCorner system. This system aims to revolutionize a car's maneuverability by enabling unique driving capabilities such as sideways movement, diagonal driving, and even turning on the spot. Each eCorner module integrates an in-wheel motor with electric shock absorption technology, allowing for enhanced control and agility on various terrains. Despite its advantages in maneuverability, there is a trade-off due to the increase in unsprung weight, which can impact ride comfort and handling to some extent. Nonetheless, the eCorner system has garnered significant attention, particularly through an impactful advertising campaign that has amassed over 5 million views on YouTube. This system promises to transform urban driving experiences, envisioning a future where tasks like parallel parking become effortless and enjoyable, thanks to the ability of all 4 wheels to turn independently at angles of up to 90 degrees. The Hyundai Mobis eCorner system represents a significant leap forward in automotive technology, aiming to redefine how cars navigate and maneuver in urban environments. As advancements continue, this innovation could pave the way for safer, more efficient, and more enjoyable driving experiences worldwide. Air Purifier. Step into a world of clean air with the IQAir Atem Car Air Purifier. Designed for personal use, this innovative device goes beyond traditional air purifiers with its responsive touch sensors. Simply tap to power on, off, or adjust fan speeds, providing immediate control over your air quality. Unlike larger purifiers, the Atem is compact and portable, perfect for use in your car or at your desk. Its advanced filtration technology ensures that pollutants like particulate matter, allergens, and odors are effectively removed from your immediate surroundings, creating a healthier environment wherever you go. The IQAir Atem is not just about convenience. It's about delivering clean air efficiently and effectively. By starting purification as soon as it's activated, it ensures that you breathe cleaner air instantly. This makes it ideal for urban commuters, travelers, or anyone who values fresh air on demand. Whether you're battling city smog, pet dander, or indoor pollutants, the Atem's commitment to air quality shines through. With its sleek design and user-friendly operation, it's a must-have for those prioritizing their well-being in today's increasingly polluted world. Experience the difference with the IQAir Atem Car Air Purifier and breathe easier wherever life takes you. ZRT Gun Rack. Last products in video, the ZRT Gun Rack. Engineered with precision and security in mind. More than just a storage solution, these racks boast multiple patents and feature the strongest lock on the market, employing smart lock technology and a specialized zinc alloy for unparalleled reliability. Trusted by law enforcement, each rack securely holds 1 or 2 firearms with adjustable height and positioning to ensure optimal accessibility. Designed to accommodate various firearm types, including those with silencers, the ZRT Gun Rack ensures your weapons are securely stored and easily accessible when needed. Priced at $514 for a single weapon rack, this investment in security and accessibility is unmatched in the market. Discover the peace of mind that comes with owning a ZRT Gun Rack, where innovation meets reliability for the protection of your firearms. XLifter. XLifter offers an innovative solution for enhancing the versatility of certain Land Rover and Range Rover models, catering specifically to drivers who need to navigate diverse terrains or handle specific tasks, like towing with ease. This advanced system provides an additional 125mm of ground clearance, adjustable in precise 5mm increments, allowing vehicles to tackle rough terrain and dirt roads without hassle. Beyond increasing ground clearance, XLifter can also lower the car by 80mm, which proves beneficial for tasks such as hitching a trailer. What sets XLifter apart is its ability to automatically level the suspension, enabling stable driving at speeds exceeding 40 km/h. The system is conveniently controlled via a smartphone app, offering users real-time monitoring of compressor temperature and other vital parameters. It's worth noting that XLifter is compatible only with select Land Rover and Range Rover models. For Range Rover owners seeking this capability, the system is available for purchase at $592, making it a worthwhile investment for those looking to optimize their vehicle's performance across varying terrains and tasks. Electronic side step. Electronic side steps have become indispensable for modern vehicles, especially as car designs trend towards larger and taller models like the Volkswagen Golf and Range Rover. Even compact vehicles benefit from these steps, which support loads up to 250 kg. Their synchronized operation with door movement ensures convenience, automatically extending when doors open and retracting when they close. This feature not only enhances accessibility, but also maintains ground clearance, accommodating the increased height of contemporary vehicles, such as the robust Ford F-650 pickup, which boasts an impressive 40cm ground clearance. These electronic side steps represent a practical evolution in vehicle design, combining functionality with seamless integration into modern automotive aesthetics.